As little children, we would dream of Christmas morn, for all the gifts and toys we knew.
Pope Francis proclaimed 2016 as the Year of Mercy. At Mindol Metakaruna, we ask all our visitors this year to write on a tile their hope for mercy for our world. And then they place the tile in our Christmas crib. During Interfaith Harmony Week, Father Tom Smolik, our International JRS Director, joined in. So too did Muslim, Buddhist and Christian students studying here at Mindol Metakaruna in the School of Peace, along with their director, Max Ediger. Let's hear from Max.
The aim of the 3-month experience really is to bring young people together from different traditions, faith traditions, ethnicities, nationalities, languages, bring a very diverse group together. And then together we can learn from each other, but our focus really is interfaith understanding, not trying to blend all the faiths together, but rather to build understanding of each faith so that we can relate to each other through understanding. We can deal with misconceptions we have of each other, fear we have of each other, the misinformation that we get, and then from that we can sit together and plan how are we going to build more peaceful communities when we go back to our homes.
Interfaith harmony is like how we understand and we accept with the other people who different faith with us and different religion with us, and we try to engagement with them.
Before, my understanding, my feeling and my thinking towards other religion like Buddhism and Christianity is nothing about enemy. It's all about kind of negative.
And I know when they come, many of them don't trust others. Many of them come from communities where there's religious conflict, so they have these prejudices and biases.
It is very good for people to learn about the other religion. Don't be proud and don't be superior about our own religion, because people have different thinking, and religion also have different practicing, but the focusing is on peace and harmony.
Because I believe that what is happening in this world that maybe associated with the Islam, or kind of, this all kind of chaos and misunderstanding, because Muslim themselves, they somehow kind of, maybe not non-practicing or misinterpreted, and other people got this kind of idea and say that this is Muslim and this is Islam.
After a few days they're talking and those minimize. We've had conflict. They said it was on religious issues, but after a day or two, when they kind of think through it, they become very close friends. So I think that the most important thing they get here is the opportunity to live with people who are different and to really learn from them.
For the Buddhists, I have prejudice on them. Like, I thought that maybe they are worshipping the idols. Actually, after I do dialogue with them, actually they're only respecting their ancestor for that. So they are not worshipping the idols.
Now I respect other religion. I listen to them, and I'm trying to show the respect and the love and mercy towards them. And I think it's kind of big achievement that I've ever done, I've ever had in my life.
Maybe for some time the purpose is for peace, the purpose is for harmony, the purpose, like this year we talk about, is for mercy. So just for common purpose, that we have different faiths, we have different religion, different beliefs, but we work together for the same thing.
What I am hoping and wishing for the people is we must not put any barrier, any boundary to each other. Even I am a Muslim, you are Christian or Buddhist or atheist, we must come for our commonalities or similarities to build more better society for our children, for our youth, and for the better future.
It's just to encourage myself and also other people. You may have different understanding about other people because you heard from the news, you heard from your pastor, priest, about other religions, about other beliefs. But I really believe every people, they have different understanding of what they believe. So we should really try to see each other, to reach out to each other. But at the same time, we go back to what we believe. So it will help us to understand more and understand deeply about what we really believe.
My hope in the world, I want to every people have a justice and have a rights equal for the others people. Like in Poso, in my city, we still have like lack of the human resource, lack of the education, lack of the feel freedom and safety because we still scared about the conflict in the past time. So we need to lose hatred in our heart to building peace in the future.
I hope all people in different religion can learn from each other and understand each other. Also, they give each other value. This is my hope, because if we want to live in peace and harmony without understanding, maybe it cannot happen. So start first from there. They agree to talk together, to understand each other, to know the difference. So when people know about the difference, they can live together with happiness. And my hope is harmony world.
We were the reason, and He gave His life. We were the reason that He suffered and died. To a world that was lost, He gave all He could give, to show us the reason to live.